Today, for the Bitcoin price with DaVinci J15, we are going to talk about Bitcoin and about Ethereum, and you can already see it in the title. You're probably thinking, these guys are driving nuts right now. Well, here, listener, hear us out until the very end. Of course, smash up the like button and watch this video until the very end. The price targets, but specifically the timeframes, are going to blow your mind. But before we are starting with that, I wanted to ask the most important question of today. DaVinci J15, how are you doing today, my man?
Man, I'm in the pipe 5x5, man. I'm here at Chris's house. I checked out his car. Just awesome. Oh my God. It's crazy.
Yeah, maybe, you know what? Wait until the end. I'm going to show you the car outside quickly. Now we are sitting here outside on the terrace enjoying the sunset view, but obviously we want to push some content. So I want to refer to the title of this video. Bitcoin 100,000 and Ethereum 10,000. Well, some people are claiming that, but I wanted to know, why do you think this is going to happen? Maybe rather sooner than later, sooner than some people here might think. When is it going to happen and why?
Well, Bitcoin is going to get to 100,000, right? Very easily. I think it should happen this month, actually. And we're going to see something like really parabolic happen in the next month.
It's in December. Wow.
Yes, something big is brewing, right? And we're going to see this thing actually take off really fast, right? Because you've seen it before, right? Bitcoin in the last 2 months before it explodes, just all of a sudden just goes doubles and doubles and doubles and doubles again. So we're going to see something like that in a very short while. And it's going to be amazing. You will be like, it's going to be like, no, it's not possible. No. You'll be hitting the short button, and you're going to be getting burned.
Boom. Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
I agree. I'm actually very, very bullish on Bitcoin. I've been bullish on altcoins for a long time, and they are still looking very bullish. But obviously, the moment when Bitcoin just goes sideways and starts to annoy the people a little bit with altcoins going up, there should be the moment where we just jump on the rocket ship. And I think it is around the corner, so I agree with that. I wanted to ask, let's say we are getting into that scenario, everything just goes vertical, Bitcoin vertical, Ethereum vertical. Do you think this is just the beginning of the end then, and we are going to see a blow off top afterwards? Is 100,000 eventually your end target, or are you even targeting higher price targets?
It's definitely targeting higher prices, right? Usually the blow off top comes over a 2-month period, right? That's the normal cycle for Bitcoin. It might be a little bit extended because, there's a lot of large money that's going to be coming in. And, you're thinking, well, that large money is not dumb money. But keep in mind, you don't understand. There's a lot of the other markets, such as the bond market. The bond market, you need a few $1 billion to play. And there's, even in the bond market, there is 90% of the people who trade on the companies that trade there lose. So there's dumb money there. That dumb money is going to come to Bitcoin in billions of dollars.
Yeah.
So they're going to come and buy up Bitcoin. Now, hopefully, they do buy the actual Bitcoin and not the ETF, not the what's it called, the commodities exchange, because obviously that's not Bitcoin, right?
Yeah.
That's only a betting against the price of Bitcoin. However, I think that kind of cash will understand that, and what they'll do is they'll split it a little bit so that they'll use their cash to pump the price of Bitcoin and be able to bet more on the commodities exchange, because they could do a lot. Because there's more liquidity there than there is on the Bitcoin spot exchange. So they'll use both, right? One to manipulate the price up, right, whilst they're buying on the commodities exchange. You see?
Okay.
Because they could have more liquidity, so they could buy a bunch of shares that not move the price of Bitcoin, because it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It has nothing to do with the price.
But then move the price.
Then move the price.
All right. Anyway, I mean, it sounds shady AF, but as long as the price is moving in my preferred direction and I'm a hodler, I'm fine with that.
Yes.
So Bitcoin, Ethereum, 100,000 and 10,000 respectively for Ethereum, both this year. So before Christmas, probably you would say. That sounds very interesting. Then just as an ending question, we want to wrap it up here quickly, pretty short, quickly. What is your price target actually eventually for this bull cycle for Bitcoin and for Ethereum? Let it be December, January, February, whatever. That's the last thing I would be like to hear.
Well, I really think that this is the end game for our fiat system very shortly.
So you think it's going to collapse?
Yes.
So then it's infinite.
So
price target is infinite.
We're going to see. Well, no, it's not, because a collapse like that doesn't happen like all of a sudden
Obviously,
infinite, right? So there will be a point where we're going to see Bitcoin over $1 million,
Wow, and that's like
right? And
soon?
rapidly, yes, in like probably the next 3 or 4 months, because they're not stopping the printing presses, and everybody's noticing, and everybody's feeling it. Everyone.
That's freaking insane. $1 million in January, February, or March. Let me know what you think about that. Let me know your price target down below. And obviously, I agree with you. We can already see the financial system crumbling down. We saw it in third world countries, their currencies crumbling down. Then second world countries, you already have the Turkish lira, we have Argentinian peso, and so on. In the end, it's just the US dollar being the last man standing, and even that one will fall eventually.
I'm sure your whole audience knows that prices of everything have gone up more than 25% in the last year.
Yeah.
More than 25%.
Yeah.
And they're feeling it. They see it, they feel it, and then even the news is talking about it. So it's there. And it was supposed to be what, transitory? Right? From like last year? It was supposed to be transitory. And I don't know what transitory is to you, but a year is not of transitoriness is not
at all
transitory.
Not at all. No, it's actually a step between healthy and hyperinflation. I think we are in that step in between. So, anyways, very, very interesting. Big things are about to come. Happy that you are watching. Happy that you are part of crypto. And I wanna incentivize you to not only subscribe here to the MMCrypto channel. Very important. We recently broke 500,000 subscribers. No, if you are not subscribed to this gentleman here, he bought Bitcoin at $1 in 2011. What are you doing with your life? The link is down below. Go over, subscribe to him right now. And now let's go out and show them the car before we are wrapping it up.
Yep.
Yeah. Don't forget your phone. Oh, there you go first. Okay, thank you. Wow, awesome. Look at this, Da Vinci, the man. Wow, so awesome to have him here.
It's great.
I think you guys have been waiting for this kind of collaboration for a very long time.
I know, exactly. We've been saying it forever. Yeah. We're gonna do a collaboration. Now we've
it's
done
finally happening. So here you can see the old cars of me and Mo on the one side, and that's the new cars we bought here. Very nice. I think that's your favorite, Da Vinci, right?
This is my favorite. I'm gonna go for a ride right now, actually.
Yeah, I'm gonna give him the key and he's gonna go for a ride. It's the McLaren Senna. Oh, wow. Anyway, I hope we are not gonna see this color here on the Bitcoin canvas. I hope it's gonna be green. Anyway, bye bye.
Take it easy.